That sounds like a good idea.
Trying to kill me out here. Vanilla ice cream is meant to be out in the sun this long. Your ice cream?
Oh. Now we can sit down.
That's a good idea. This is that.
All right, so that was one of the last drills we had for the course. The next thing we have coming up is the class competition. So class competition is going to be the Dickens drill. Which Kanoa?
I will read. Angelo went to private school, so he can read. Okay, so anyone know who Dickens is? Charles? Yes, Charles Dickens. So this is the Charles Dickens drill. No, so Dickens, he was a concealed carrier in Indiana.
Oh, the guy at the mall.
The guy at the mall that received an active shooting and 8 out of 10 rounds from 40 yards with a handgun. The important thing about this situation is, like, they just passed constitutional carry in the state. Otherwise, he would not have been carried at the time that the mass shooting took place. Thanks to the passing constitutional carry, he just so happened to be carrying a gun in the mall when it happened. So, the Dickens drill is an exercise named after a live defendant. A legally armed civilian from Seymour, Indiana. Oh, if I just read the paper, I would have known where he was from. Who quickly and effectively ended the Greenwood Park mall shooting on July 17, 2022. Within 15 seconds of the shooting, Elijah Dickens was Block 19 and engaged the active shooter with 10 rounds within 40 yards. 8 of those hit his target, and he was successful in eliminating the threat and preventing the loss of more lives. So, this drill will be 1 mag of 10 rounds. We are shooting at a C-zone size USPSA steel target that is going to be placed in the corner of the range at a distance of 40 yards. Okay? So 8 shots must hit to pass the drill. Scoring will utilize USPSA hit factors to determine the competition winner. No penalty mics will be used for misses. Scoring type is Virginia count. Additional shots past 10 rounds will count as a penalty. But we only have 10 round mics here, so don't have to worry about that. Okay? So, 1 mag, 10 rounds. Go for it.
Okay.
Brought my staccato.
Oh, you get it.
It's hard with the 43. I mean, it's
small.
Yeah,
you know what I mean?
It's that snap. The second shot.
The follow through. It's always the follow through.
I tried.
Follow through at distance. Yeah, he's probably going for the time. Yeah.
His time plus hits.
Yeah, because I didn't notice that.
Yeah, I didn't even know the buzzer.
Alright, next shooter.
I didn't even hear it.
Eric.
Because shots after the buzzer is like minus.
Yeah.
Point.
Why don't you, Kevin?
It always sucks going first.
Yeah, I know. Got too nervous.
Yeah. You know what? If I was gonna go left and I know I wasn't gonna hit it, I'll just go left, right, left.
Let's do the FBI.
Yeah.
I'm dead as fuck.
See him running. Staccato. Get him.
Oh, I seen him. You know I would have made that 10 out of 10.
He's got like 12 out of his 10 shots with that 10 round.
Bye-bye.
Oh, it's uncle.
He found it.
That's pretty good.
Yeah, I don't know what this one.
All right, next shooter. All right, Noah, Eric, Goose.
Wait,
Go to make ready.
get the Gucci 19.
He needs 8 to qualify at the time. I think nobody qualified yet. Left and right, left and right.
Shooter, are you ready? Stand by.
Fast. Speed kills. Your score.
Next
No
shooter,
press.
Eric, Goose, Brandon. Goose. Goose. Go to make ready. Shooter, are you ready? Stand by.
Now that I hit low, I think I could probably do a little bit better.
So just a few clicks up or down. I think you do it.
Yeah, but see, that's the thing. Why would you set your firearm that long? You know what I mean? So the holdover.
Mine's just 25. Like all
Yeah.
my guns are 25.
But I don't know the ballistics of 9, because you remember when we take the class, they do the ballistics of 223 and
This is
556.
good for 100 feet, bro. So
Yeah.
I think anything's gonna be your Gucci.
He's right there. He's just shooting high. That was low, but he was really shooting high, shooting over. This must be the thumb. That's why.
For me, it's just the follow up of the snap.
Yeah.
It's like trying to get, you know, the second shot. in.
Snap is so brutal.
Yeah. Dude, we both got 43.
Yeah, the small profile. Oh, it throws you
It's
off.
only meant from here to there.
Yeah. Oh, imagine if I came to class with the revolver. No way I'm gonna miss it. 10 rounds my ass. There's a reload in between.
See,
Yeah, at least I don't feel too bad because no one's just eating it up, you know what I
the guy with the safari over here.
mean? Oh. You brought it though, yeah? You brought it today though, yeah?
No,
Oh,
I
but
didn't
you-
bring it.
Oh, okay.
It's too easy. That one's like cheating, guy.
Yeah.
And I bring one Ferrari to Honda Civic
You
meet.
don't know that? You don't know that. You haven't done it yet. You're just saying. There's just air coming out of it.
Everybody just says, oh yeah, I carry staccato every day. It's my daily, yeah.
Imagine XC.
You're like a clock. You hit it down.
I don't feel as bad.
Yeah, he needs a time, man. Yeah, just trying to find it, that's the hard part. Just find your shot.
So like, EPS carry is the best. It's a small dot.
Yeah. Oh, you like EPS carry?
I got EPS carry. But earlier it turned off by itself. I think I shot it so much that it turned off.
Yeah, that's what happened with mine.
Yeah?
Mine 507.
Oh, for real? What is that?
The hollow sound.
Just like the hollow sound is just, no, it's shit,
Yeah.
yeah.
Yeah, because it shut off after 4 rounds, and I just bought it.
That's hard.
Oh, I'm surprised you hit it with that gun.
Stock 365.
Yeah. It's mining them. Oh, yeah.
He stepped out.
David, shoot it.
Dave made it in time for the shoot.
Oh, you know it. He's got a 42. Should get one. Join us. Only CCW only.
Probably should eventually.
Oh shoot, he's shooting a 43.
Yep. This is competition gun too. That's why I bought it.
He did nick it though.
Yeah.
One of them he
Nah,
did
that's
nick.
a hit.
Yeah, that's a hit. I saw it hit the
They
corner.
counted 4 though.
Huh?
I think they only counted 4.
Everybody
Yeah,
get a
yeah.
chance to shoot.
Nicole didn't shoot.
Get your gun.
Get your damn gun, Nicole.
As you guys can see, that's a really hard drill. Not gonna lie. The normal target we shoot at is a full-size USPSA target. So I kind of gave you guys a curveball on this one with the seasonal sensor. But yeah, you guys are good. Like this is definitely a hard drill. Like it's a hard drill that for us to even shoot. Like me, myself, Dave, I know we're all like good experienced shooters. This is like a drill we can always do. Because when the time comes, we need to perform at the level that we need to. Mr. Dickens definitely did that day. And so something that's super strong to do someday. Hopefully we never have to, but something that we always have to do. With that said, thank you for coming out. Really appreciate the patience with me. My instructors, give them a round of applause. So thank you those guys. And most of all, thank you for you guys coming out here and taking the time off of your day to fun and train, get better at shooting. If you have any questions, concerns, or if you want to learn more, definitely feel free to reach out to us. And yeah, that's pretty much all I have. Thank you guys.
Thank you.
Yeah, good job everyone today. Everyone was safe, which is always the most important thing. You all did really good. You responded to instruction. Some of us have some things to work on when we get home, right? Like not looking at our holster when we're drawing. Kind of break that bad habit. If any instructor points out a habit that we need to fix, please work on that on your own time. You can do 95% of this stuff at home with fire. So take advantage of that, and then we come to the range to confirm everything. We know how to manage that read. But yeah, good job everybody. Oh yeah, we gotta pick up brass before we go. We still got some time, and then the fun shoot is after this. So if you don't have anywhere to go, if you want to keep shooting, or if you want to work on something with an instructor, you're more than welcome to hang around. We'll be here probably till maybe 2-ish. I'm guessing it's going to be an early day since it's Tuesday. But yeah, we have the range till 3-4 o'clock. If you want to stick around for the fun shoot, please do. But we're going to clean up brass right after Angelo's done.
Alright, so in third place, we have Jay. In second place, we have Noel. And in first place, we have Jonathan. Alright, so good job everybody. Hope you guys learned something today, and definitely...
What about the instructors, Angelo? Who on the instructors? Finally, beat Angelo.
In third place, I have myself. Second place, we have David. First place. Thank you guys. If you guys can help pick up brass, take down the targets, and take down the barricades, that would be greatly appreciated.
We'll go get